Today we are talking about credit searches. Before a lender offers you a loan to secure against the purchase of your property, they will want to run a credit search on you. Every lender approaches this slightly differently. The majority will run a full-blown search, leaving a hard footprint on your credit file. This will happen sometime between you obtaining a decision in principle and evaluation of the property being carried out. You will not receive a mortgage offer before a credit search, or at the very least, a credit score. A credit search is run by a credit reference agency, such as Equifax, Experian, Core Credit, or most recent newcomer, Nodal, in order to assess your credit history. Your name is searched, as well as all the personal addresses that have been provided in your application. It will look at any mortgages, credit cards, personal loans, mobile phones, any credit agreements that you currently have or previously had in place. Your credit score is a numerical expression of your credit file, which measures your credit worthiness. The maximum score is 999, with 750 or above being seen as decent. A low score will not necessarily preclude you from getting a mortgage, but the lender might ask you to put down a larger deposit. If you want to have a look at your credit file pre-application, I would definitely recommend it. Word to the wise, stay away from payday loans.